Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Saying no,
It's so pretty. Okay. He's pretty. I don't know what color I want to do. They don't give no slippers.
Can we do some here?
Yeah.
They're dry.
Okay, they're dry? Okay.
Yes, they're dry and we can walk.
Okay.
Whatever you want.
Alright. Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's go to Target. It's freezing. Hey y'all. So I forgot to show you guys what I got from Target, so I'm gonna show you guys real fast. I got my hair done, got my nails done. So cute. I got these cute earrings. from Target. They are so freaking cute. I got some sweatpants. This is really cute. Focus. And then I got this set. The matching bottoms. So yeah. So I'm going to New Orleans again. And ooh, start packing, but I'm being lazy. Yesterday when I went to get my hair done and to get my nails done, I didn't record much. Like, I be forgetting. And then I have to get used to people like staring at me while I record. So I didn't record much, but hopefully y'all like what I did record. But let me start packing.